Hey, this is Joe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to export your connection data from LinkedIn and then graph it in 3 ways in Excel. So to get started, go to your profile image in the header up here, click on Settings and Privacy, click Data Privacy, and then up here, the second option, get a copy of your data. I've already downloaded it, but when you go to it, you'll click this second one, want something in particular, select connections, and then click request archive. It will send you an email when the download is ready. So I already have downloaded it. And when you get it, it will look like this. So it's going to have first name, last name, email address, if there's one publicly available, company, position, and then the date that you were connected. So I'm going to select all the data. And insert a table. All right, you'll notice there's some that have a date but no person. So I'm going to select these 4, and I'm just going to delete these rows. Okay. So now we've got all this information. The first thing I'm going to do is take the connected on and sort it oldest to newest. And then, we have this whole list, but we don't have like number per day. So in order to get number per day, we're going to do a running formula. And this formula is going to be count A, and we're going to count basically the distance between each cell and the header. So as it goes down, like here, it's going to count the distance between this cell and the header. So to do that, sorry, I did that kind of quickly. You're going to select the cell, then click into the formula bar. Oops. Okay, let me start over. So equals count A, select the cell, and click into the formula bar, put a colon, and then click the header. And then click enter. Now you'll notice that it's counting starting at 2, and we want it to count starting at 1. So we're just going to take the formula and subtract 1. Now you'll see going down the list, it's just counting. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is select these 2 last columns, select all the way down to the bottom, go back up, and we're going to insert a chart. I'm going to pick this one. And this is the first chart I was going to show you. Basically just a chart of your connections over time. So this is starting in October of 21, going to May 23. And that's one way to do a chart. All right, a couple more ways. I'm going to take this data and insert a pivot table. We're going to do it on a new worksheet. And I'm going to drop connected on into the date column, pull out the quarters, and then I'm going to take just first name and drop it in values. So count of first name. So basically it's counting how many connections I added in each year. So then you can go insert recommended chart. Same thing. Okay, so it's counting per year, but if we want to expand it out, just click the plus sign on each one of these. And now we have it like this. I do usually prefer charts like this to be the other direction. So you can come to design and switch row and column, and then it will look like this. If you want to see how many you added per month in a waterfall format, so this is the second chart. The third chart is a waterfall, but if I select this and click insert and click waterfall, it's going to say you can't do that with a pivot table. So I'm just going to select and then insert a waterfall chart. Okay, So that's the third chart, and that's kind of cool because it just shows how many added per month in that format.